I know on these motors, valve adjustment is big. These will misfire, and they will misfire pretty heavily when the valves are out of adjustment and have to be adjusted. I believe, as I recall, they get too tight. I could be wrong, but I don't believe this to be the case. It's misfiring way too bad. I mean, it is a dead miss. It is down the whole cylinder. And I just don't see this being the valve adjustment. And what I don't want to do is waste someone's money and say, well, let's try a valve adjustment here, because I just don't see it going in that direction. A set of plugs, wires, fuel injectors, not going to solve this. It is, I believe, a mechanical issue with the number 4 cylinder. And so we're gonna go where the evidence leads, and we're gonna put an in-cylinder pressure transducer in.